this is Lily, and here I am again in Auckland City. I'm checking out all the parks around me as I'm walking. So this park here is called Valonia, and just behind me, the main road up the top here is Richardson Road, and also there's a basketball hoop here, and just behind me is a skateboard park. Check it out. I think it's beautiful. Auckland City is beautiful. All the beautiful parks around. Oh, it's awesome. And just down behind me right here, as you can see, there's another park where they're playing soccer, and this is a soccer field. So man, this Auckland City and the little parks that they have all around the place is absolutely beautiful. So hey, check it out. On a beautiful day like this, you need to be out and about, and that's what we're doing. We're walking, and while we're walking, we're going to check the parks. Don't forget, there's that bridge. There's a beautiful walkway, that new bridge just behind me. Oh, isn't that, like, that's lovely. So yeah, for those of you who want to look around for basketball and skateboarding, it's just right here. And I think this area is like Mount Roscoe, Sandringham. Yeah, I think that's what it is. And down in front of me is Mount Albert. So yeah, all the beautiful spots around in Auckland. Let's get out and enjoy this beautiful day. Okay, it's me coming to you. We'll catch you again in the next video. Please subscribe to my page. I need some subscribers. Okay, bye for now.